Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the ultimate tech review, the best gadgets of 2025. If you're looking to upgrade your tech game this year, you're in the right place. We've got smartphones pushing the boundaries of what we thought possible, smart home gadgets that feel like they're from the future, wearables that do way more than just tell time, and laptops that are thinner and more powerful than ever before. Let's get started. Alright, let's kick things off with the smartphone category, arguably the most personal device we carry around every day. This year, we've got a clear winner in terms of sheer innovation and performance. Now, I like to look at the whole picture, so we're not just talking about specs here, we're talking about design, camera, battery life, the whole 9 yards. First up, this display, we're talking about an AMOLED panel that's so bright and sharp it's like looking through a window into another dimension. Seriously, the colors just pop, and the blacks are incredibly deep. Whether you're scrolling through social media or watching your favorite shows, this display is a treat for the eyes. And speaking of treats, let's talk about this camera. We've got a triple lens system here that captures stunning photos and videos in any lighting condition. They've really stepped up their game in terms of low light performance, and the level of detail you can capture is mind-blowing. Plus, the software is packed with features that let you edit your photos and videos like a pro, all on your phone. But what good is a powerful phone if the battery dies before the day is over? Well, you don't have to worry about that with this beast. We're talking about all-day battery life, even with heavy usage. And when you do need to charge it, the fast charging capabilities will get you back up to speed in no time. Now let's talk about performance. This phone is an absolute powerhouse, capable of handling anything you throw at it. Whether you're a hardcore gamer, a multitasking machine, or just someone who wants a phone that can keep up with their busy life, this phone delivers. The processor is lightning fast, the RAM is more than enough to keep everything running smoothly, and the storage options are generous. But it's not just about specs, right? This phone also feels amazing in the hand. The design is sleek and modern, with premium materials that give it a luxurious feel. It's the kind of phone that you'll be proud to pull out of your pocket. Overall, this smartphone is a game changer. It's the perfect combination of cutting-edge technology, stunning design, and incredible performance. If you're looking for the best of the best, look no further. Now, let's shift gears and talk about something that's transforming the way we live: smart home technology. This isn't just about turning your lights on and off with your phone anymore. We're talking about a seamless integration of devices that learn your habits, anticipate your needs, and make your life easier and more efficient. And the gadget we're looking at today is at the forefront of this revolution. This smart home hub is like having a personal assistant for your entire house. It connects to all your compatible devices, lights, thermostats, security cameras, you name it, and lets you control everything from a single app or even just your voice. Imagine waking up in the morning and having your smart speaker gently ease you into the day with your favorite playlist, while the smart blinds automatically raise to let in the morning light. As you head out for work, the security system arms itself, the lights turn off, and the thermostat adjusts to save energy. And when you return home after a long day, you're greeted by a perfectly lit house, your favorite music playing softly, and the comforting aroma of dinner already filling the air. But this smart home hub is more than just a fancy remote control. It's also incredibly proactive. It can learn your daily routines and preferences and then start automating tasks based on your behavior. For example, it can automatically adjust the thermostat based on the weather forecast or remind you to take out the trash on garbage day. And then, there's the peace of mind that comes with enhanced home security. With integrated security cameras and sensors, you can keep an eye on your home from anywhere in the world, receive instant alerts if any suspicious activity is detected, and even use two-way audio to communicate with visitors. But what really sets this smart home hub apart is its seamless integration with other ecosystems. Whether you're an Apple diehard, a Google enthusiast, or an Amazon devotee, this hub plays nicely with all the major players. And that means you're not limited in terms of the devices and services you can connect. So if you're ready to take your home into the future and experience the true meaning of smart living, this gadget is the ultimate centerpiece for a connected and convenient lifestyle. Alright, let's talk wearables. Now I know what you're thinking, another fitness tracker? But trust me, this is different. This isn't just about counting steps and tracking your calories. This wearable is all about providing you with meaningful insights into your overall health and well-being. First off, the design. This thing is slick, it doesn't scream, "Look at me, I'm a tech gadget." It's sleek, minimal, and looks like a regular watch. But don't let the understated looks fool you. This thing is packed with features. Of course, it does all the fitness tracking you'd expect. Steps, distance, calories burned, you name it. But it goes way beyond the basics. We're talking advanced heart rate monitoring that can detect irregularities and even provide you with insights into your stress levels. And the sleep tracking? Forget about it. This thing breaks down your sleep cycles, analyzes your sleep quality, and even gives you personalized recommendations on how to improve your sleep hygiene. It's like having a sleep lab on your wrist. But here's where it gets really interesting. This wearable also doubles as a comprehensive health companion. It can track your blood oxygen levels, monitor your skin temperature, and even detect potential health issues before they become serious. We're talking about potentially life-saving information right there on your wrist. And let's not forget about the everyday convenience features. You get all the standard smartwatch stuff. Notifications, music control, contactless payments, all seamlessly integrated into a beautiful and intuitive interface. But it's not just about the features, it's about how this wearable makes you feel. It empowers you to take control of your health, understand your body better, and make informed decisions about your well-being. And that's a powerful thing. Let's talk about productivity, and for a lot of us that means having a powerful and versatile laptop. But what if you could have a laptop and a tablet in one sleek package? That's where this device comes in. It's a hybrid beast that's designed to handle everything from demanding work tasks to creative endeavors to casual entertainment. First off, the design. This thing is thin, like ridiculously thin. But don't let the slim profile fool you, it's built like a tank. The build quality is top-notch and it feels incredibly premium in the hand. And then there's the screen. We're talking about a stunning high-resolution display that's perfect for everything from editing photos and videos to watching movies on the go. And because it's a touchscreen, you can interact with your content in a whole new way. But the real magic happens when you flip the keyboard around and turn this laptop into a tablet. The software seamlessly transitions between modes, and you can use the included stylus for taking notes, drawing, or just navigating the interface. But let's talk performance. This thing packs a punch. The processor is a beast, capable of handling demanding tasks like video editing and software development without breaking a sweat. And the RAM is plentiful, so you can have a million tabs open without any lag. And because it's designed for both work and play, you know the battery life had to be on point, and it doesn't disappoint. We're talking about all-day battery life, even with heavy usage. So you can leave your charger at home and power through your day without worrying about running out of juice. Overall, this laptop-tablet hybrid is the ultimate device for anyone who needs power, versatility, and portability in one sleek package. It's the perfect tool for students, professionals, and creatives alike. Alright, we've talked about some amazing tech today, from smartphones that push the boundaries of innovation, to smart home gadgets that make our lives easier, to wearables that empower us to take control of our health. But there's one gadget that stands out from the crowd, one that truly blew us away with its ingenuity, its design, and its sheer potential to change the way we live, work, and play. And the winner of our Top Pick of the Year award goes to... This isn't just another gadget, it's a glimpse into the future. It's a device that seamlessly blends cutting-edge technology with intuitive design and thoughtful features to create an experience that's both transformative and delightful. From the moment you pick it up, you can feel the difference. The craftsmanship is impeccable, the materials are premium, and the attention to detail is evident in every aspect of its design. But it's not just about looks. This gadget is packed with features that are both innovative and practical. It solves real-world problems in elegant and intuitive ways, making your life easier, more productive, and more enjoyable. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a busy professional, or just someone who appreciates well-designed and useful gadgets, this is a device that deserves a place in your life. It's a game changer, a category definer, and a true testament to the power of human ingenuity. That wraps up our review of the best gadgets of 2025. Which one was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.